Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to go live in TikTok. Let's get started. First, you must be at least 16 years old to go live. To send or receive virtual gifts, you need to be 18 or older. Your account usually need at least 1,000 followers, but now you only need 50 followers to unlock the live feature. Then launch the TikTok app and log in if necessary. Then locate at the bottom center of the screen at the bottom menu, where you normally record, swipe until you see live. Then add a little that describes your stream. You can also choose effects, filters, and camera option. Then after that, go live to start streaming. When finished, tap the power or X button to end your live. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and good lighting for the best live experience. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.